That's why I asked you about that. Do you have any products figured out? Have you written that down? What are the products that I would sell? Right? Are there free downloads that you sell? Are there tutorials? Are there digital products? Are there anything that you do for a camera? Any kind of software type things? Do you affiliate market? Have you ever set up an account with anybody that you use their equipment, like the name brand of camera that you use, or a lens, or maybe a software package for cutting or editing? You can go to their websites and look at, usually at the bottom is a partnership program. They're generally free. You just fill out the application. But see, that's something that you'd have to do anyway. I mean, if you had a partner that was going to come in with you, well, what's he going to do? Hit you up every time there's something to fill out, and then you got to go put in all the company information? Well, fuck, you might as well just done it yourself. You didn't need the partner. I mean, it's part of doing the work. That's part of doing the work. It's just hard, man. It's hard. But if you actually go through and do all that, then you've got something you can trade for money. Then somebody can say, hey, cool, I can actually make money off of this. So it makes sense for me to come in and do this for you. Then we have a partnership that's equitable. Because if not, you don't want to give up equity. You don't want to pay them nothing. And then it's like, well, what's in it, man?